Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I'm going to explain the wood components that can be determined by using the determinations of alcohol toluene solubility of wood, determinations of lignin content in wood, determinations of hollow cellulose in wood, and also the determinations of alpha cellulose in wood. Okay, basically there are 4 types of chemical component in wood, which is cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, and extractive. So basically for the determinations of alcohol toluene of wood, it is need to determine the types of extractive, which is wax, fats, and wood gums. Okay, so kalau kita tahu extractive ni ada macam-macam jenis. There are various types of extractive in wood. So ada yang boleh larut, can be dissolved in hot water, can be dissolved in cold water, and also can be dissolved in an organic solvent, which is the alcohol toluene. Okay, so at the end of the procedure of determinations of alcohol solubility of wood, the sample that you gonna obtain is called extractive free sawdust, serbuk kayu bebas extractive. Okay, so daripada 4 types of component in wood tadi, extractive being removed. Okay, yang tinggal adalah lignin, cellulose, and hemicellulose. Alright, so from your extractive free sawdust, you're going to use it for the determinations of lignin, and also for the determinations of hollow cellulose. Okay, so for the determinations of lignin content in wood, you're gonna remove the hollow cellulose, right, by using the 72% sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Okay, so from the 3 component tadi, so you remove the cellulose, hemicellulose, dan meninggalkan lignin. So lignin yang tertinggal ni kita panggil insoluble lignin, lignin yang tidak boleh larut di dalam asid. So dia ada nama which is called as Clason lignin, Klason lignin, Clason lignin. Okay, so that's you gonna determine for the lignin content. Okay, so from the extractive free sawdust, you're gonna use the sample to determine the hollow cellulose. Okay, so hollow cellulose is a combination of cellulose and hemicellulose. So now you can use the sodium chloride, right, the NaClO2, to remove the lignin. Okay, so when you remove the lignin, so you're gonna obtain the cellulose and hemicellulose, which is known as hollow cellulose. Okay, so from the sample that you use for the hollow cellulose, which is in a white color. Okay, so yang lignin tadi tu warna gelap, warna hitam. So from this sample, you're going to use the sample to complete the procedure of determinations of alpha cellulose pula. So alpha cellulose ni adalah cellulose, so which means that you need to remove the hemicellulose pula. So the hemicellulose can be removed by using 17.5% sodium hydroxide. Okay, so why alpha? Is because beta and gamma being dissolved. So basically for the properties of cellulose ni, as we know, it is white in color and it has a straight change, rantaian lurus, and also it is a crystalline region. Okay, basically semua chemical component dalam kayu ni ada basic unit. Okay, kalau untuk lignin, the basic unit for lignin, it is called phenyl propane, PHENYL, phenyl propane. Manakala untuk cellulose pula adalah anhydroglucopyranose linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic bond. Alright, while the hemicellulose pula, alright, it is a heteropolymer, which means that it contains more than 2 sugar monomer. Okay, for example, untuk hemicellulose ni dia ada 5 carbon ring. For example, 5 carbon ring adalah xylose and arabinose. Yang kedua adalah 6 carbon ring. 6 carbon ring contohnya adalah mannose, galactose and glucose, dan satu lagi adalah uranic acid. Contoh uranic acid ni adalah galacturonic acid dan glucuronic acid. So that's what it is called heteropolymer, mengandungi 2 atau lebih sugar monomer. Alright, so that's all for the explanations of the procedure of determinations of alcohol tolerance solubility of wood, the determinations of lignin content in wood, the determinations of holocellulose content in wood, and also the determinations of alpha cellulose in wood. So all the best and Assalamualaikum.